Such a great welcome. Thank you so much, His Excellency, Prime Minister. It's a real privilege for me to be standing in front of you and have the privilege to name my baby Amahumbezi, meaning gentle breeze, named the mother Mwenezero. The baby was born on the 30th of January 2025. The name was chosen to capture the refreshing coolness here in Rwanda, of the misty forest, the sense of tranquility and hope that we all feel whenever we're traveling here to the Volcano National Park, a real treasure to Africa, to Rwanda, and to the world. I want to express my sincere respect for the government, for the different organizations here in Rwanda, for all the people coming along together to make this happen, first of all, this fantastic ceremony, but also allowing all the animals to live and protect the wildlife and their habitat. I'm African, I'm a proud African, I'm Senegalese, but today more than ever I feel Rwanda. I had the privilege, like my colleagues, to be part of amazing competition, play amazing games, feeling different type of emotion. But the past 3 days have been very interesting, and I will surely go back home with a last memories and a lot of more courageous because of you guys, because of courage you're showing us, and because of the energy I'm feeling here every day. I'm looking forward to be meeting baby Umuraje and his family, of course, in the national park. I'm looking forward to be coming back here in Rwanda to feel the energy. But on behalf of Arsenal Football Club and myself.
Murajo, buenas tardes a todos. I've been thinking the last couple of days how to start a routine for my speech, and it hasn't been easy. But the first thing that came to my head was to be thankful for the people who allow me to be here today. So I would like to thank Prime Minister, First Lady, Visit Rwanda and Atletico Madrid for having me here. I really, really thank you very much for this amazing experience. I feel really privileged and honored to have the opportunity to give the baby girl the name of Iraba, that means ornament patterns. She was born on 26th of September 2024, and his mom is called Ijame. The name Iraba comes from trying to find and celebrate the stunning beauty of gorillas, who are like living ornaments to the country. I've been a football player for 20 years, and I have good days, I have bad days, and when I retire and I look back, I always see those special moments that stick first to my head, those the good ones, the really special ones. I had the opportunity yesterday to go into the Okara Mountains and walk among a family of gorillas who allowed us to spend with their time, to see they behave, how they talk to each other, how they eat, how they behave. And it was really, really an experience that is unique. I will always recommend to anyone who can a chance to come here to Rwanda. So I know that those memories, they will last for the rest of my life in my head, and they will come every single time that I got a smile on my face. So thank you very much for having me here. Oracoste, Rwanda.
Thank you very much, Luis Garcia.
Amakuru, j'ai l'honneur de représenter le Paris Saint-Germain, partenaire de Visit Rwanda, pour nommer un bébé gorille pour le 20e anniversaire de Kuita Isina. Je donne le nom de Gansa, qui signifie dominaire. À ce bébé gorille, il est né le 29 août de 2024. Dominaire. À ce bébé gorille, il est né le 29 août de 2024, dont la mère s'appelle Umigo. Ce nom illustre notre souhait à continuer à protéger cette gorille le plus important du massif de Virunga. Ainsi qu'elle continue à préserver. J'ai eu la chance hier de visiter l'habitat naturel des gorilles au parc national des volcans. Et j'ai resté impressionné, et ça va rester un voyage inolvidable pour ma vie. Cela m'a permis de mesurer la force, la beauté, mais aussi la fragilité de cet animal extraordinaire, qui montre combien ils sont essentiels de protéger cet espace. Comme le fait Rwanda, à travers de ses actions pour conserver la faune. Je vous souhaite à tous une très belle fête et on souhaite aussi une longue vie à tous les gorilles. Merci beaucoup.
非常荣幸能来到大猩猩的故乡。我来自滇金丝猴的故乡，这是全世界最像我们人类的灵长类。能为这只大猩猩宝宝起名字是我的荣幸。我给它取名叫希望。它出生于2024年的11月6号。他的母亲是阿加塞克，这个名字真诚地寄托了我们的期望，愿这个宝宝能战胜过去的磨难，茁壮成长，超越这个族群曾经遭遇的不幸，就像卢旺达的人民一样。30年前，我曾在中国的西南追寻一群滇金丝猴。最终用影像拯救了他们的栖息地。那作为一个野生动物摄影师，来到非洲，来到卢旺达这么一片美好的土地，我也特别期望能有机会把非洲在野生动物保护方面的经验带到中国去。我也希望把我们用影像去给原住民赋能野生动物摄影训练营这样的经验带到卢旺达来。今天呢，我来到卢旺达，怀着深切的爱与美好的祝愿，渴望为这个美丽的国度播种希望。感谢你，卢旺达，布拉克特，卢旺达。Thank you.